This girl, she's seen better days, guys. Danny, final thoughts?
Get after it, bud.
Get after it. Tig, final thoughts? You've always...
Well, you see what happened was sand is really wet, and in wet sand, you gotta drive a little slower.
Slower.
Brake stuff.
Brake stuff.
And not in four-wheel drive where you brake belts like I do.
Yep, that's right. There you go, guys. Tig's always got something good to say. We call him a wealth of knowledge.
That's why he's Grandpa Tig.
That's why he's Grandpa Tig.
Get that one.
We're just enjoying the hill, you guys. I just said, nothing like having a night out with my husband for New Year's to fix stuff. Sorry, Noah. I whacked you in the head, dude. But the hill's getting busier. There's fireworks happening. Patrick's about to take cars over. He winched it up.
There's a lot farther it needs to go.
Well,
my buddy just rolled his Pro R.
on that tire now, so.
My buddy rolled his Pro R about 3 weeks ago, so I gotta do
You're
a recovery.
professional now, huh?
Yeah. And these things
We
are
got a professional
heavy.
here.
These things are heavy.
Yeah, they are boats, especially the four-seater.
Yeah, it's about a third heavier than my car.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, that thing's a little nugget compared to that thing. Yeah.
You just got to knock her out there, bud. More power. Yeah. No hands are getting blown off in this.
If you want to be a 03 51, I think it's a Mortimer.
I'm excited. An 03 Mortimer, 031.
Yeah, the 0351 is a Mortimer.
Just like that, the tire's back on. Final thoughts.
Glamis will tear you up.
That's right. We're gonna meow all that out, guys. Tracy's not family friendly, that's okay.
Oh, we're live on.
Oh, we're live, baby.
Far away another day, simple things will come my way. It'd be worth it, stay with me. They will drag us in the dirt, say the things that make us hurt, but I'll never give you up. Burning with love, it will never go away. I will protect you always. Burning with love, that will never go away. I will protect you. Like a love, so we remain. Like a man.
now Jared's got a flat tire and I'm covered in sand. And it's a new year. Happy New Year, you guys. New year. So exciting. Oh, goodness. So, yeah, that's all that's happening. We were riding for a pretty good minute. And then got this line of cars back here. Cruising out to Devils. And then we're going to go to the Drax. And then I think Sunset. So I got to coordinate and figure out how to get Miles over there. Got the Jeep. So, there's that.
You just push it in. See? That's not as fun.
It wouldn't be a rip without somebody getting a flat tire or a blown belt. Jack got a blown belt behind us. And then Tim, so we went ahead and then Tim found us on accident,
Look at how many
he says.
plugs you got.
I got
Jack's
plugs.
like full on prepared.
I got plugs, brother.
He got them.
He's used to riding with Tig. It's plain to see.
You hear that? He is the plug.
We do not need a plug. We need all.
The plug for plugs.
Are any of them open?
Hi.
All the way though.
What's your thoughts, Doug?
Well, it's a little sticky. It's a little tacky.
Yeah, just take the night together.
So I need to drop her down a gear.
Drop her down. In the low. Is that what you're saying?
Lower. The next gear below low.
Oh, super low.
Super low.
Okay,
And
okay.
let her go.
There you go. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Doug, the infamous Dougie Fresh. Wise words. Aurora,
This one's yours, ain't it?
if you wouldn't have let him
Yours, ain't it?
into this would never happen.
It's not my fault. I only have 2-wheel drive, so actually, if I go check my switch.
Quick hit at China Wall. We're running out of time. We should have left earlier. Now we're gonna dodge by swing set and then we're gonna go to the drag races. Let's go.
light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so divine. Life can be so wonderful. Chains so light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so divine.
Feeling divine, I'm feeling the vibes. I feel like it's more than just a feeling, what we could define. Let's break through the ceiling, see what limits that we could defy. Cause I could do anything I want, it's for me to decide. Bring you up to speed, take the wheel, let you drive inside. On a dark road, let the fire in us be the light. Day and night, yeah, we only seem to free our mind at night. That's just life, that's just how we pay the price.
I woke up today feeling like royalty. The sky is dripping gold and wrapping around me. Life can be so wonderful. Chains so light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so divine.
Y'all will never bring me down. Y'all will never bring me down. I feel like a king right now. I feel like a king right now. I zone out when it get too loud, but I'm still locked in, getting lost and found. Y'all will never bring me down. I feel like a king right now.
Go on and take my eyes. You're all I can see. I love to let you have your way with me. Come on and take my eyes. Come on and take my eyes. I love to let you have your way with me. Life can be so wonderful. Chains so light. Nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm feeling so divine.
We made it to the drags, you guys. Manny and Kyle and Miles and Mama Dearest are all on their way. They're bringing some gas for Aurora. She's got no gas. She's running in two-wheel drive, so she's burdened through fuel like nothing. And it's E85, so it burns even faster, I think. You can just edit that out if I'm wrong, Jonathan. Thank you. So yeah, we made it over here to the drags. We're waiting for them to get here so Aurora can fill up. We'll probably just watch the sunset from here. The sun's starting to get low. The sun's setting low. So should have a good sunset tonight. And it's New Year's Day, our first sunset up to New Year's.
Let's go watch some drag racing. Aubrey, you want to watch some fast cars?
Yeah, let's go watch some too.
Okay. Aubrey's shy. She's not like Miles, where Miles will just grab the camera. Aubrey don't like to talk.
Find a way.
right, guys, that's the end of 2025. We had some downs, we had some ups. I think it definitely ended on a bunch of good ups for us. 26 resolutions for me is to be a better husband, a better dad, and to set goals and actually achieve them. I hope that you guys are setting goals for yourselves, and I just hope that everybody had an awesome New Year's. I know it's like 2 or 3 weeks later when this video is coming out after New Year's, but either way, I hope you guys had a great New Year's and look for better content from us. I did start a second channel. It's called The Roost HQ. I'll drop a link below. I'm going to try to have that very first video out on Sunday. It's going to be a pretty raw version of me. I don't want to say it's not family friendly, but it's definitely going to be consumer direct and just have a lot of raw material and my honest opinions about the off-road scene, news, anything to do with the off-road world. It's got to be like a news channel for the off-road world, so and a documentary thing. So anyways, that's The Roost HQ. Go give it a subscribe. I'm going to try to drop my first video on that channel on Sunday. Otherwise, 26 goals are got to be in the books for being a better editor and being a better family guy and seeing you guys out there on the trail. So thanks so much for watching us all year long. If you're a new subscriber, we're just getting started, and we will see you guys on Sunday. Bye.